Fayette County Public Schools budget director has filed a lawsuit against the district, the board, and the superintendent.
It says that Sampson-Grimes made several attempts to warn district leaders about financial issues, but those warnings were ignored.
WKYT Samantha Valentino is walking us through this lawsuit, as well as talking with Grimes' attorney and asking lawmakers their thoughts on FCPS's budget woes. It's tonight's WKYT Investigates.
In 22 pages, this lawsuit outlines the times FCPS budget director Sampson-Grimes says she warned district leaders they could face financial troubles if cuts weren't made.
Clearly, at this point, they're just trying to retaliate against her, and you felt we had no other choice at that point.
Those warnings go back to February 2024. Each time Grimes recommended cuts she thought were necessary, the suit says her peers and superiors pushed back, claimed she was incorrect, or flat out ignored her advice, leading to retaliation and/or discrimination. The suit outlines times Grimes raised concerns to Finance Director Rodney Jackson, Deputy Superintendent Dr. Houston Barber, and Superintendent Dr. Demetrus Liggins. Instead of listening to Grimes' repeated warnings, her attorney Brandon Volker says she received this letter from Liggins, placing her on administrative leave.
This person did absolutely nothing wrong, and the ones that were told and knew of the issues are the ones still weren't put on leave or anything.
In April of this year, the suit says Grimes emailed Liggins directly advising significant cuts would need to be made for fiscal year 2026, predicting the district's current position.
FCPS's finances have also caught the attention of state lawmakers here in Frankfort. Dr. Liggins has been summoned to appear before the Interim Joint Committee on Education on Tuesday to provide an update to the district's budget.
I feel like there's a lack of transparency, a lack of really understanding exactly where those tax dollars are going. I think you'll see some of that conversation perhaps next week in the Interim Committee on Education.
In June, Senator Amanda Mays Bledsoe asked Attorney General Russell Coleman to weigh in on FCPS's vote to raise the occupational license tax. He deemed it unlawful due to a lack of public notice. Since then, State Auditor Allison Ball launched a special examination into the district's finances, and we've learned the contingency is millions of dollars less than it should be.
What I keep hearing from people in Fayette County is a lot of questions, and they're getting very frustrated by the lack of maybe transparency and accountability. And there seems every week to be more questions, not less.
Senator Bledsoe says she and her constituents just want answers. In Frankfort, Samantha Valentino, WKYT.
Grimes' lawsuit seeks damages, legal fees, and for Grimes to be reinstated to her position. It also accuses Superintendent Liggins of gross intentional conduct meant to punish Grimes and deter her from lawfully reporting potential mismanagement or waste of district funds. The district says they cannot comment on legal matters.